Nikki's yelling, there's a bird, tweet, tweet.
All right, so I'm walking over here, and he's like, Johnny, tweet, tweet, birdie. And I'm like, what? And all I see is this little bird down on the stairs. All right, where is he?
How are you gonna get him out?
I think he'll let me
Oh my God!
Come here.
What's going on?
Nikki, who are we gonna see? Jamie?
Jamie.
You wanna go see Jamie? She's gonna cut your hair? Yeah. She's our friend, right?
That's her outfit.
Let's go see Jamie. Thumbs up. Let's do it. Over the bridge we go. You gotta put your mask on, Nikki, okay? Looking good. All right, let's head in.
All right, let's go in.
You wanna go in first?
Hey, how are you guys?
Hello. Hey. Nikki, say hi to everybody.
Oh.
Look at Boris, Nikki. Yeah. Nikki, you looking at the magazine? Handsome guy.
Looking for good deals, Daddy.
Nikki, you are looking
face,
fantastic.
Yep, look at that.
Very handsome. Nikki, you say thank you?
Thank you.
Whoa. All right, handsome, come on down. Great job, buddy.
Yeah, look yourself, you like to start.
Lots of mirrors around here. Nick, that is one fresh cut you got, buddy. Wait till mommy sees your handsome hair. She's gonna make a big deal. I know it. That's pretty good, Nick. Ready? Good job. You want to take this outside? Okay, here it comes.
You see it, man?
Good job. Come on, let's go. Come on, handsome. Up, here he comes. Ready? Here it comes. Hey. He's not moving.
Not even close.
You gotta move those feet, Nick. Come on, handsome. What do you say?
Hey, I've been fixing the rocks all day, man. Come on.
Go fix them. Go ahead. You run down there and fix them. Can you see? See, they're in the flower bed. That's gonna get fixed.
That's a no-go. No-go.
You gotta pick them up with your hands, buddy. Okay. Is that good? Come on, handsome. He's gonna do more. I think you got it all. That looks great. Oh, that's much better. Oh my goodness. Nice job, buddy. Well done. What do you got, John?
Oh, that's what he's looking at.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go.
I feel like if I walk by, you're gonna knock over the stuff.
That big volley we got going, Nick.
Winner.
Oh!
Okay.
Doesn't it look nice?
You're so handsome.
Good job.
Look at this handsome boy. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's nice,
You're
right?
so handsome. Yeah, you're happy? Me too. You did a great job.
Yeah.
Miss Jamie cut your
Jamie
hair.
was so happy to see him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
you're
she's
handsome.
so nice to him.
You're so handsome.
He said, "Thank you, Jamie."
Aw, Nikki. I'm so proud of you.
Yep.
Good job, buddy.
Looks great.
Looks amazing. Oh gosh, that boy is handsome. I make them like that. You
Yes, you do. You make handsome boys.
Oh, nice.
What are we gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you gonna have?
We have.
America, and french fry, and mac and cheese, and muffin.
Okay, so
Those are your choices.
pick which ones you like.
Heck. He wants all.
Yeah, exactly. He's like, "I'll take it."
Yes.
Yeah, he just said yes.
Yes to that. Yeah, what you just said. Can you pick one of the pictures?
One. One. One.
Okay, then put it.
Okay.
Would you like something else with it?
Yes.
Okay, pick that.
Take that. Take that. Take that.
Yep,
Take that.
do it.
Different. Thank you.
Nice.
Mm.
You want to pick a drink?
Sweet.
So far, so good.
Oh, going water today. I like that.
All right.
That's nice.
I have
One.
one. America, and french fry, and water.
Come on. Please.
Please.
Yes.
That's a great. Give me a high five. Very proud of you.
You're so handsome.
That was
I'll make you
good.
whatever you want.
Hey, Nick James. Mommy and I are gonna take a walk to the beach. Do you want to come, or do you want to stay here with Sam?
Sam?
You want to stay here?
Yes?
Okay. What are you gonna do? You gonna sit on the?
Cows?
Okay.
Should we turn on Scoot?
Do we do that?
All right. Great idea.
All right.
You enjoy that time. We're gonna go. We're gonna go check out the beach. Make sure it's still there.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Good looking. All right.
Smells so good.
Honeysuckles are here.
So good.
Very exciting.
So exciting.
Very nice to get out of the house too, right?
Yeah.
Thank goodness for Sammy.
God bless him.
All right, so tell me what happened with the bird. Because the screaming was kind of like the Blair Witch Project. It was really extreme for a little bird.
Listen, I've been tortured my whole life, and some of my brothers may have said my hair was a bird's nest. So I was afraid it was gonna go in my hair.
It sounded like Johnny screaming more so than anyone.
Because he thought he was gonna pick it up.
Right.
He went to pick it up and it flew right, oh, my hair moved. I know the bird touched my hair.
And what was Nikki saying?
Nikki was hysterical, laughing on the couch.
How did he get it out? Did he have to pick it up or did it just fly?
No, so it flew into the kitchen on the windowsill and was sitting there. So I opened up the back sliding glass door and Johnny was trying to shoo it. So
God.
it went upstairs.
It went, and did you, okay.
And I said, oh, I'm not going up there. How are we gonna get it out now? We need a net. So Johnny said, no, I'll
Oh
get
my
it, I get
God.
it. Johnny was chasing it and chased it out our bedroom slider.
Oh, okay, and then it took off.
And then took off.
That is quite the event. And so Nikki told you about it, which is hilarious. How did he tell you?
So cute. I was upstairs working and I heard him saying, Johnny, Johnny, bird, tweet, tweet, bird, tweet, tweet. And he was getting mad because Johnny was like, what do you want to do, bud?
Yeah.
Do you want to go outside and play with the bird?
Right.
Because they were on the front lawn.
Yeah.
And he's like, Johnny, bird, tweet, tweet. And then he walked to the bottom of the stairs and Johnny saw it and he's like, Mom! And I knew right then and there what was
Oh my
going
God.
on down below. I was like,
That
oh, no.
is hilarious.
So I don't even know where the bird came in from.
Probably the
because
sliding glass door.
I had-
Rocky probably opened the door, which he does all the time.
Right.
And the bird walked in. They always walk right up. They walk right up to the window. They're probably like, this sauce smells amazing.
Absolutely.
And they want to come inside.
But
You had
the
those
dogs-
sausage and peppers
I
cooking.
know. I thought the dogs were going to go crazy. They didn't even move. They didn't even
Yeah.
flinch.
They're probably old friends. That's hilarious.
But it swooped past and touched the nest. I was like, oh! That's why I yelled.
Nikki, what happened? Sammy went home? Oh, man.
See Sam tomorrow. He's coming back.
Yeah.
The best?
You're the best. You did a great job today. I'm really proud of you. Nikki, what that was that?
The ocean.
Yeah, the ocean. Was what that? Nikki,
The ocean.
excuse me. Was there a bird in the house today?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What'd that bird say?
Yes.
What's the birdie say?
Tweet, tweet.
Yes, he does.
It's so funny.
I wish I could have heard him say tweet tweet.
So cute. Oh, dude. So cute.
He was trying to tell you, Johnny?
Good. He was like,
Johnny, bird, tweet, tweet.
tweet. And he just goes, tweet, tweet, bird.
Oh, and he's looking down the stairs?
I'm like, what are you looking at?
Oh my
I see
goodness.
little bird jumping around down there. I'm like, oh.
That
there's
is
a
so
bird in the
funny.
house.
What are you looking at? You looking at my chin? Well, everything's fine with it. What's wrong with it?
Yeah,
Hey, Nikki, can you say goodbye to everybody?
God bless you.
God bless you. We love you. We'll see you next time.
Handsome.